Morning students. Today I am going to start geometrical portion for class 6, 7 and 8. So from the basic we will start. Look at the blackboard here. Basic concepts of geometry. The first is plane. The definition of plane is a smooth, flat surface which extends endlessly in all directions is called a plane. Plane means समतल. तो उसकी परिभाषा है कि एक स्मूथ, फ्लैट सरफेस, एक ऐसा सरफेस जो स्मूथ हो, फ्लैट सपाट हो, which extends endlessly, जो endlessly अनंत तक बढ़ता हो. extend means फैलना, तो जिसका विस्तार endless हो. In all directions, in every direction is called a plane. So this blackboard is also plane. This wall is also plane, but the difference is that plane has no end points. It extends to endlessly. यह अनंत तक फैलता है और इसकी परिभाषा ये है. दूसरा है point. Second number, point is a mark of position. This is a point. This is the point. This is a mark only, and the point has no length, no breadth, and no width. लंबाई, चौड़ाई और मोटाई. पॉइंट में न तो लंबाई होता है, न चौड़ाई होता है और न मोटाई होता है. वह एक पॉइंट, एक मार्क है, एक पोजीशन का इंडिकेशन है. दैट इज पॉइंट. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज लाइन सेगमेंट. सेगमेंट इज खंड, टुकड़ा. तो लाइन सेगमेंट से इसका मीनिंग क्लियर हो जाता है. दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइन, दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइन, दिस इज अ सेगमेंट ऑफ लाइन. सी हियर, दिस इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. इट हैज एंड पॉइंट्स. It has end point. There is A and B. So its length is fixed. इसकी लंबाई को हम माप सकते हैं, मेजर कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये रेखा का क्या है, खंड है. And next is ray. Ray is किरण. किरण एक पॉइंट से निकलती है और अनंत तक जाती है, इनफाइनाइट तक जाती है. So the definition of ray is it has one starting point or one end point, and the next यहाँ arrow लगा हुआ है. Arrow means it extends to infinite. Infinite symbol अनंत तक जाता है. और दूसरा है line segment. Sorry, line. Line it has it can extend in both the sides. ये दोनों दिशाओं में, दोनों साइड में endlessly, infinite, अनंत तक एक्सटेंड करता है, बढ़ता है. इसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं है. इसके बीच में जो हमने पॉइंट दिया है A और B, ये केवल इसको शो करता है लाइन को. बट A एंड B ओनली अगर इसके बीच की डिस्टेंस को लें तो दिस इज ओनली अ लाइन सेगमेंट. ये एरो जो है एक्सटेंड करता है दोनों दिशाओं में आगे तक. चलिए, now we were studying about line. These are the some rules of line. Number one is an unlimited number of lines can be drawn passing through a given point. From one single point, see, for example, this is one point, and from this point we can draw an unlimited number of lines. See, these are the lines. Infinite lines can be drawn from a single point. See, so this is a property of line. From a single point we can draw unlimited number of lines, and the second one is if 2 points A and B are given in a plane, then exactly one line can be drawn passing through the given point. Suppose these are the 2 points A and B. So passing through these 2 points, one and only one line can be drawn. See this one, this is the line and these are the 2 points. We cannot draw one more line passing through these 2 points because line must be straight. We cannot draw this type of line. This is not a line. Line is a straight line. This one is a straight line. So we can draw one and only one line passing through the 2 given points. Intersecting of line. If there is a point P common to 2 lines L and M, and this is point P which is common, we say that the 2 lines intersect at a point P, and this point P is called the point of intersection of the given line. 2 lines L and M are intersecting at point P. This point P is called the point of intersection of this line. Stop. Parallel line. If no point is common to 2 given lines. See, these are 2 given lines and no any point is common in this line. Here 2 lines are there L and M. This P is point which is common, which is intersection point, and here this is line L and this is line L and this is line M. So no point is common in these 2 lines. It would mean that the line do not intersect, and such lines are known as parallel lines. For example, railway track. See, railway track, it never intersect each other. The distance between these 2 points, these 2 lines are always equal. इन 2 लाइनों के बीच की दूरी हमेशा इक्वल होती है. इनमें कोई इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट नहीं होता. जैसे ये लाइन है, इसमें इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट है, तो ये पैरेलल लाइंस नहीं हुई. एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को प्रतिच्छेदित कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पर जो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, दे नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. जब इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो उनके बीच में कोई कॉमन पॉइंट्स नहीं होगा. सो सच टाइप ऑफ लाइंस आर कॉल्ड द पैरेलल लाइंस. Yes, now the last result 5 about the lines. 2 lines in a plane either intersect at exactly one point or are parallel. So this is the property of lines कि 2 lines एक ही प्लेन में जब 2 लाइंस होती हैं तो ये लाइंस आइदर इंटरसेक्ट करती या तो इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं at a single point or they are parallel. So only two things can happen when 2 lines are intersecting at a single point and or they are not intersecting at any point. They are parallel lines. So now in this episode we have studied about the plane, point, rays, line segment, line and parallel lines. So you please read these things and prepare a notes. In the next video I will teach after this. Thank you.